Hello friends, in August 2019 I published a video on the correct way of wrapping hemp around pipe fittings because I found most YouTube videos were promoting bad procedures. For wrapping hemp or PTFE tape, there is one principle most plumbers agree with. We have to wrap it clockwise. The reason for this is that if you wrap it counterclockwise or anti-clockwise, the material will unwrap, pushed out by the female fitting when we screw her on. So, to avoid this, by principle, we wrap the hemp always clockwise. Is this the best procedure? Is it better to wrap it counterclockwise? The most correct answer is yes. It's better to do it counterclockwise. However, doing it clockwise isn't bad. In this video, I want to show you the evidence. First of all, clockwise. That is, going into the roots and jumping crests to get into the next roots, and so on. The first line is to be able to catch the thread so it doesn't move. Then I jump, and 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 I go back. That's the process clockwise. Every jump or crossover from one root to the next produces a weak spot. However, in most cases, it is packed tight enough to work well as a gasket on most planks. When we do it counterclockwise, means we place the hemp inside the roots and flanks, and at the end of the roots we go back a bit. I go over the first line so it gets held there, through the roots all the way to the end. And now I turn back to be able to hold it in place. Let's unscrew it to see how it ends up. As you can see, the hemp is inside every root. Now let's see how it comes off. as those weak spots are not produced when wrapping counterclockwise. Counterclockwise should be a better procedure, but it requires you are able to avoid unwrapping. Now let's do it very loose, like some people do it. Too much. Let's see how it comes out. Yeah, we have lots of hemp covering both the crests and the roots. Now, after unscrewing the fittings, we find the hemp remains very loose. It does not get compressed into a gasket type seal, so must be a much weaker seal. Some fittings like these have a lot of play. There is a big space between the threads, so they require bigger amounts of hemp, while other fittings like these have much less play and less space between the threads, so require smaller amounts of hemp. If you want to repeat my tests, choose fittings with more play, because in those with less play, the female fitting might drag out the hemp when we unscrew it, due to higher compression, and you won't be able to see these results. Well, that's it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.